Hey! Seagull facts. Meet the hilarious stars of the coastline, the seagulls. Masters of flight with a mischievous streak, they are far from ordinary. Did you know seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water? Their bodies filter out the salt, pretty clever. They are also notorious food thieves. Your beach picnic. A seagull's buffet. That's because they are opportunistic feeders, always on the lookout for a meal. Oh, and they are not just seagulls. Over 50 species exist worldwide, each with unique traits and habitats. So next time you spot a seagull, remember, they are full of surprises. Subscribe for more fun animal facts.